If you're experiencing login issues on Poshmark, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Step 3. Update the app. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If you're using the app, try clearing its cache and data. Go to your device's settings, find the Poshmark app, and select the options to clear cache and data. This can resolve any temporary glitches. Step 5. Contact Poshmark support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Poshmark's customer support for assistance. You can find the contact information on the Poshmark website or app. They can help you troubleshoot further or resolve account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Poshmark. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.